I don't know if a robot's got the amount of patience that we have.
What if you had a robot and you programmed the robot to do this for you?
No.
Do you think a robot could be better at doing
No.
this than you?
There's factories that have robots that can easily make a cake, but
Thing is, if you want to have a last moment change, then it would be a little difficult.
But what if a robot could do this in 8 hours or 10 hours?
That
Are you trying to sell us a robot right
No,
now?
someone has to come up with the creative idea to program it into a robot. I don't know if a robot could be proud of what it produces. I don't know if it could have the passion
drive and passion
to produce it.
that it'd just be doing what it's programmed.
Advances have taken a giant leap within the last 5 years, so next 10 years, I don't doubt that a robot could be able to do this. I don't doubt it.
I think we can all be replaced for the mechanical part of things, but you can never replace a human with a creative mind.
Okay.
So that's what I think.